lovely come back to be here again. It's a very cultural city, it's interdisciplinary, you have a lot of nationalities, you have a lot of design in every corner, it's height, something that you will be amazing to discover.
The aim of this course is to actively rethink future designs, exploring innovative materials and creating personal storytellings, working as well collaboratively with leading technological and research centers, and eventually applying innovative materials to propose fashion design products as an alternative solution in the final project.
I was participating in a collective runway in one of the biggest fashion shows in Bogota. It was a partnership with the Ied in Colombia that was sponsored by Inex Moda, that is the Exportation Institute for Fashion in Colombia, and they want to award the best emerging designer, that in that case was me. The highlights of this course I was very interested in because I'm a fashion designer. I realized that this course opened my eyes into a different kind of points of view that I was not considering before, like the technology or how to embrace new materials into the traditional fashion industry.
One of the most interesting aspects is regarding material innovation. We presently live in a high challenging moment in society with rapid changes in a very short time. A new positive system is needed where all action is designed to achieve minimum environmental impact to contribute to a sustainable fashion.